Got another one on the other side, and this one's taking a lot of drag. This one was the bluegill. So yeah, this is a good night now. This one actually feels bigger than the other one, but that could just be because it's in current. Yeah, it's a flathead. Oh, this is not a flathead. Something else actually took my bluegill. That's a, what the heck? That's a carp. It's a big one, but it's a carp. Snagged a monster carp here. I guess he's not that much of a monster, but it's a pretty good carp. All right, common carpio. Not as big as I thought, but still a very nice PB. 18-pound carp.